Hello everyone. This time I will discuss about SQL injection vulnerability, scanning using Acunetix, and exploiting using Sqlmap to obtain user data. SQL injection is a type of security vulnerability that occurs when an attacker injects malicious SQL code into a web application's database query, which can then be executed by the database. This type of attack can allow an attacker to gain unauthorized access to sensitive data, modify or delete data, and execute administrative tasks on the database. Here, I am using Web Acunetix as a test to try to detect the vulnerability. As we can see here, there are many vulnerabilities that can be exploited, but in this video, we will only focus on the SQL injection vulnerability. Next, we will search for the vulnerable parameter for the attack and input it into Sqlmap. After successfully obtaining the database information, we will then look at what tables exist within the database. As we can see, there is a users table within the database. Let's take a look at what's inside it. We have successfully obtained the username and password from the website through the SQL injection vulnerability. Thus, we can conclude that SQL injection vulnerability can have a significant impact on the database. It allows attackers to view the contents of the database and even modify its data. Imagine if our personal data is stored in such a database and it is successfully retrieved by an unauthorized person. It can be extremely dangerous. Okay, that's all for my video today. In the next video, I will explain how to exploit and the dangers of common vulnerabilities that exist on websites.